Review everything you buy, or just don't buy it. That is the challenge. This is not sponsored, nor do I receive any compensation for this review. You can see by this screenshot, I just buy these a lot. Nor do I intend this to sound like a sales pitch. But dude, I like these pants, and you'll probably be able to tell by the end of this video. M-TAC Aggressor Gen2 Tactical pants. This is a brand new pair. They have YKK zippers and fastener. They come all crispy and clean. They are made really well. You already know that. I think you want to know if the dog can hunt. Trust me, I wear a pair of these pants every day. They get washed every week. Do they hold up? That's it. That is the question. I still have every pair I ever bought, and am about to show you what they look like after 3 years. Then you decide. Alright, this is perhaps my oldest pair. I think I bought 3 pair to start. I was just going to try them out. You can see the fasteners are still good. And the D-rings on the belt loops. And the elastic waistband is still perfect as well. Literally everything on these pants work as if it were new. Zippers, hook and loop closures on all the pockets, everything. You can see the dye has faded a little, but they have been washed something like 150 times. Plus, I'm not exactly gentle on them. Not a single frayed seam, not even here on the butt. How about some B-roll before we wrap this review up? Also, please let me thank you for watching this video. Comments are cool, likes, shares. You don't have to buy the pants. This isn't like a sponsored video or anything like that. But they are great pants, and in my opinion, they are worth the money. See ya.